Hi guys, this is Sabina from Trotort.com, and today I'm gonna share with you 3 ways to improve your website and make your guests want to visit you again. Do you like to make a good first impression at your work, with your friends or guests coming to your house? If yes, then you should like the same for your website. You only have a short amount of time to grab a visitor's attention. Organized structure, a minimalist design, and regular content will make your website more attractive and empathetic. Good-looking website should be based on 1. Structure and hierarchy are very important aspects of design. It helps demonstrate your website in a clear and effective manner. Through the accurate and organized structure, you will be able to lead site visitors' attention to certain page elements in order of priority, starting with the most important part. 2. Keep your design minimalistic. Your website should correspond your core message promptly. The less site visitors have to read, click on, or remember, the better they will be able to process and evaluate your content. 3. Regularity measures how serious for you to communicate with your visitors. Publishing new and engaging content on a regular basis will help to keep your sizable audience entertained. Ideally, you should set a schedule for new content and stick to it, increasing your pace as the site grows. That's it, guys! For more information about your website development principles, contact us through social media or email us right now.